Hello everyone and welcome to Yammy Leaks. Today's video is about Don Mock and some amazing guitar phrases which I'm going to share with you today. Don Mock is a great jazz rock guitarist and great guitar educator. I think he's located in Los Angeles, MI. But anyway, check him out, it's worth. He's a great guitarist and great guitar educator. Now let's see the phrases, the Don Mock phrases. The first one, it goes to any chord. It's like a 12-tone row phrase, and it's based on this chromatic scales here. I'm starting from the G, 6th string, C the tab, and I move again up to the D here. Now, you might think, what is the great about it? The great about it is how Don Mock take this chromatic scale here, and with octave displacement he makes it really interesting. It's exactly this thing. I'm using a hybrid technique on my right hand here. Watch carefully. I do this thing. I play the pick and my middle finger like this. And this phrase goes to any chord. If I play A7 here, if I play E minor, for example, if I play D major 7th, phrase number 2 now. It's the same philosophy. This time I will play this phrase over the A7th chord here on the 5th fret, barré. I'm going to start chromatic on the 1st string here. Now, what is the great about it? Again, the octave displacement. Again, I've used this hybrid technique here, and the last two notes I will play them with my middle and ring finger here. So I make like this, pick on the F, as you see on the tab, and again the same philosophy. Middle finger here, middle, and the two fingers. Third phrase, it might be played over the E minor 7th or the A7th, or the combination of both chords as 2-5. I will start with this A here and play 6 intervals. The fourth phrase, it's a regular 2-5-1 phrase in D major 7, and it's gonna be like that. The last one, it's gonna be 2-5-1 in D minor, this one here, and I'm going to play the D harmonic minor over this, like this. And this is the phrase. I'm not gonna play those phrases over the 2-5 separately, but rather I will put an 2-5-1 in D major, and I will try to improvise with all those phrases, or whatever comes in mind at that moment.